Xiaomi smartphone company is always in talks for their brilliant phones. The company has launched some budget smartphones that no other company has launched yet. We would like to tell you that Xiaomi is launching a phone which is named Poco F1. Here are its features. The display. 6.18-inch Full HD plus full view display with 1080 x 2240 pixel, 18:7:9 and 403 ppi. RAM and storage. 6GB RAM, 8GB RAM, 64GB, 128GB to 256GB is how much we can increase the storage of the phone with the SD card. Processor. Snapdragon 845 octa-core 4 into 2.8 GHz 385 gold and 4 into 1.8 GHz karyo silver processor, which will make your phone work faster. Camera. The front selfie camera is of 20 megapixel and a dual camera is at the back of 12 plus 5 megapixel with LED flash, which will improve the quality of your photos. Battery. The battery of this phone is of 4000 mAh. Connectivity. The phone has 4G LTE, Wi-Fi 802.11 BGN, Bluetooth 4.2, GPS, AGPS, micro USB 3.5 and headphone jack. In India, the cost of this phone's 6GB RAM and 64GB storage variant is 20,999 rupees. 6GB RAM and 128GB variant costs 23,999 rupees. 8GB RAM and 264GB storage variant has a price of 28,999 rupees. Poco F1 can be bought online.